Hello friends, welcome to certification.com. In this video, we'll see a free training event that is going to be conducted by Amazon Web Services. Before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now and click the bell icon to get more certification related updates like this. You can also watch this in Facebook. The link will be in the description. You can also join to our Telegram and WhatsApp group where you will be notified whenever a new certification opportunity will come. I will give all the link in the description. You can check it out. Now let's come to the point. AWS event. AWS Innovate Modern Application Edition is the free training event. This event will be conducted on October 20, 2022. This is completely free training event. Anyone can join here. I repeat, this is a free training event. That means no prerequisite is needed to join this program. By participating this event, you will get to know about how modern applications are designed and developed in top organizations. You can expect to learn a lot of things from this training. You can see there are 60 plus sessions in 4 different languages. You can ask questions to experts. You can also get certificate here. So this is the main thing. Now comes to the agenda. Here you can learn more about modernization of application. If you are application developer or wants a career in developing application and cloud field, this conference will be best match for you. Here you will learn how to reduce cost of your application, also increase agility. You will also learn how cloud reacting with modern applications. In this training, you will learn how to less managing of application, how to build application faster. So this is the whole process. You can check this later. The session is divided into some parts with timing, and also here are some sessions related information you can go through. Talking about the timing, in Indian and Sri Lankan time it is 5 am to 10:30 am, almost 5 hours and 30 minutes will take. Another timing is 11 am to 4:30 pm. You can choose any of these two timing. You don't have to attend both of the timing. In Pakistan time it will be 4:30 am to 10 am. In Bangladesh time it will be 5:30 am to 11 am. You can choose your own time zone. Talking about the speakers, here you will learn from AWS expert. So it's a big opportunity to learn directly from AWS experts. Here are some FAQ questions where this event will host. It is an online conference, so it will be hosted online. After filling up the registration form, you will receive a confirmation email. I will show you this process later. Who should attend? Who are new in cloud field and also who are interested in cloud should attend. Besides this, anyone can attend, as you can get a certification from AWS. The online conference is available in English, Japanese, Korean and Indonesian language also. You can see. Do you need to attend all the timing to complete the training session? The answer is no. You can select any of the timing I have already mentioned. What is the price of AWS Innovate? You can see it is free. Can I get confirmation of my AWS Innovate registration? The answer is yes. After filling up the registration form, you will receive a confirmation in email. I will show you this process now. After watching 5 sessions or more, you will receive a certificate of attendance through registered email by November 4, 2022. You can see here. If you have any other questions that have not been answered in FAQ section, you can ask them in email. Now click register for this conference. This page will open. You have to put your first name and last name very carefully because it will appear on your certification. Put your country and city and postal code and phone number. These are the required informations. You don't have to fill this box if you don't have mobile number. Later, if you are participating from any business organization, choose business. Otherwise, if you are a student or learner, you can choose personal. In job title, you can put student. In company name, you can put your educational institution name. In industry, you can choose education. In company type, you can choose education again. In company size, you can put any. Level of AWS uses, you can select anything. In use case, you can choose which you want. After filling all the information, you can put this tick mark so that you will be notified whenever a new digital training comes from AWS through your email. Put your specific email in where you want to receive your certification. Put your password. After that, click check mark and register. This page will open where you can see I have already confirmed my registration. You will get a confirmation mail like this also. So this is for today's. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share, and most importantly subscribe this channel to get certification related update like this. Thank you.